And then the last one that also that I think about, that led me to a whole history of being prepared and being open, was my open houses. I'm one of the few. I love to do open houses every Saturday and Sunday. For me, it's a chance to get out, talk to people, enjoy meeting people in the area. And sure enough, I had a family that was here from Veracruz, Mexico, in San Diego. They walked into one of my open houses, and from that open house, they looked to purchase a home. We rented them a home, but I ended up selling them a home, and then I sold all their children's homes, and then I was blessed enough to sell one of their homes in Mexico. So I actually, lifelong friends, really meant a lot. But the power of an open house, the power to be present, the power to be open to anybody's needs that may need your help, and to be there. Those 3 transactions really, I think, are my guiding light on how I want to be as a realtor.